Yo, your favorite unk is back. Let's react.
I'm the realest.
Hey, round of applause. Round of freaking applause. Okay. Bro, stop. Okay, you can stop. Chill. I know I've been going for a minute. I've been going for a cool minute, bro, but I'm back. And today we got some Animal Hospital TikTok compilations, bro. We got some funny moments in this new upcoming game. And from the looks of it, bro, it's like, I don't know why I'm doing this. It's like Denny's World mixed with Forsaken fandom. And like, bro, this thing is so cringy and so weird and so up my alley. So we got this video from Laya. Make sure to subscribe to them, check it out. And oh my gosh, bro, already the video is already out of pocket, bro. This is literally just the beginning.
It's okay. We just have to be super quiet. Hey,
Bro, already this nigga already, bro. He's already selling his teammates.
I'm really sad. Pardon. Good night.
Bro, this is literally the second clip in this video, and I am literally flabbergasted. I'm literally speechless. Oh, hell no. Yes, sir. Hey, I don't blame him. I don't blame him. I would have loved to. Okay. Patients treated negative, anomalies admitted 456, anomalies treated 458 plus monster bed plus stalker deaths. If I say 520, I'm still getting the pizza party. Reputation diabolical, hiring anyone. I don't know what any of that stuff means, but I guess it's funny. Yeah.
I'm the cool one.
Oh, hell no. Did that dude disappear? You accidentally take the wrong medication during surgery because it looks the same? Oh no, not Rafu.
Let's go live.
Okay, I don't know. I honestly don't know what any of this stuff means. I haven't played this game before, so guys, let me know in the comments how does it even work, bro? I'm just an old ass nigga.
Ollie?
It's raining sideways.
Sounds rough, Ollie. Do you have an umbrella?
Had one.
Where is it?
Inside out, 2 miles away.
Is there anything we can do for you?
Bring me some soup.
I love how the reception is like peaceful, but like the patient treating is like
E hoje eu não
hell.
quero pegar você. Sabe por quê? Porque é suave. Eu vou pegar e laraiaraia.
Yo, I love how that dude was like, bro, are these people, these patients are tweaking. Oh, no, what's up, no. That's what I'm doing. What you got going on, twin? Yes, sir. Nephew. I'm the cool one. Oh, my bad, bro. I was over there getting down with the get down.
Blow out. Happy birthday.
Y'all free this Friday? I'm good with Friday. Mike, you free this Friday?
Yeah, I'm good for Friday.
Johnny, you free this? What the?
I'm so green.
What? Hold up, let's play that back.
Friday?
Yeah, I'm good for Friday.
Johnny, you free this? What the?
I'm so green.
This nigga said I'm so green. Okay. How patients at the hospital be moving when the ambulance arrives. How the hell did Zoro get there? This is old lost ass. I'm hungry. Hey, you better feed him, bro.
Talk to him.
You better feed him. Oh, heck nah. Are you starving all your patients? Oh, that must be the anomaly. This is actually really scary. Just kidding, it's not scary. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you, man. Like, some of these damn TikToks don't make a darn sense to me. Like, I don't even know why I'm reacting to this. Like, it's just, I mean, I don't know what it's, Let me just shut up, all right? Guys, if you don't know, I am going to be a complete yapper and just yap. I'm just Japanese yapper, okay? I am the yapping master, the yapping sensei, the yapping egg.
I'm spitting right now.
Fuck's the bro crying over? Okay. Oh, okay, help the little rat. Don't do it. Don't do it. I thought something diabolical was gonna happen.
Thank you for saving me. I was so thirsty.
Is that the monster under the bed? Are you supposed to help the monster or are you supposed to kill it? This is definitely the Forsaken fandom. I can already tell off rip, bro. Like, wait, huh? Bro, what the heck is this? This man, first of all, I would not take that level of disrespect to that old buddy, you know what I'm saying? First, that wouldn't be me. All right. This guy literally punched this man out this way, first and foremost. And then he said, he demanded, give coffee to daddy. Now. He got sprayed in the face with coffee, licks it off, and then proceeds to say, more please. This is the freaky ass shit I'm talking about. This is nothing but the Forsaken fandom. Hey. Right, they make everything like, kind of like sexual. Oh, there go that dude again. There go old dude. Uh-oh. I know what to do. What are you gonna do? Shazam. Did I just see what I think I just see?
Yes, sir.
He freaky. I ain't gonna say nothing. Yeah, the devil.
Oh my god!
I came to visit someone.
Yeah, the devil.
Hey, that's my guy. Smart.
Wow.
Okay. What's going on? Okay, I think this is that's Rathu, I'm pretty sure. I'm learning, you guys, I'm learning. Oh no, don't cut the dress, buddy. Don't do it.
Oh, yes.
Okay, I mean, he actually made it a little bit more better. He actually made it more better.
Oh no!
Wait, more better? That's not proper English. He actually made it better. What am I doing, bro? I'm staying in school. Oh no, don't do it, Matthew. What's he about to do? Oh, he framed old dude.
No, 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 no.
He's like, get away with this, huh? Wait, how could he tell?
Esperen, ¿por qué eran demasiados? Se me está
It
trabando
must be
el
the win.
teléfono.
It must be the win.
mi
That's all I'm gonna say. It must be the win.
No.
Oh no, this man gave him diabetes. That man gave him diabetes. I was testing out the model I recolored. Why the fuck is it twerking?
Nephew.
Nah, my nigga. Come on now. You know you damn well you made that thing twerk by itself. Come on, don't do that. Don't do that, man. Don't do that. You know that what you did. Definitely Forsaken. Definitely the Forsaken fandom. I can tell by the animations and the drawings, bro. Why am I bombing to this?
And I don't care that we just met last week.
All right, first, hold on. I need to know waffles to pancakes. You said waffles. I'm buying you 5,000 Robux, man.
All right, just stop looking at me. Don't look at me. Say something. Oh, I wish you were dead.
Hey, man, you need to sit your motherfucking ass down.
Ooh, okay. Send that man to the gulag. Okay.
I guess I don't know my own strength.
Just gonna stand there.
And my shoe burns. Bro, how can they tell? Hold up, no, because I'm actually curious. Okay. They came in perfectly normal. The eyes look, wait. Hold up. I need to figure this out. I think it's because it stared at them. Oh yeah, the eyes forward. Oh, okay. That's easy. All right, I figured it out.
Lucas, Will, Mike, me.
How it feels whenever Ron from accounting comes.
Adrian
Hurry up.
Christian Hernandez, or as the locals call me, A.
Dustin, Lucas, Will, Mike,
Max.
Adrian Christian Hernandez, or as the locals call me, A.
Dustin, Lucas, Will.
Adrian Christian
Bro,
Hernandez.
why is it going
or as
on
the
again,
locals
bro?
call
Skip.
me,
Oh
A.
my gosh.
Dustin, stop. Look, we're at the time.
Adrian Christian Hernandez, or as the locals call me, A.
5. That does look.
Adrian Christian Hernandez, or as the
Oh,
locals
okay.
call me, A.
Happy birthday, daughter
Let me find out Ron was an anomaly.
of mine. I got you a gift that is so divine.
What the hell was that? Bro got so scared he shitted himself. Oh my gosh. I mean, honestly, that's in any normal any normal situation. If you're scared, bro, you see some scary stuff, I 100% guarantee you're gonna pee or poop yourself. Facts. I'm not saying it from experience. All right, I did not do it because I'm a real G. I'm a real G. Uncle's a real G. You know what I'm saying? Never from experience. All right, never. What's going on over there? That man is fighting for his life over there. Anything but play the game. Oh gosh. Wait, did he just kill her?
Yeah, I see one.
You see stupid ass bitch ass?
Right in front of me. He's blue and looks like a bunny.
I'm sorry. That was mean. That was mean.
Lena, what are you doing? I'm not even looking at the cameras.
That was creepy. That smile is creepy.
I don't know which one of you bitches just lied to me and told me I'm not gonna see no monsters until later in the game. I just seen that motherfucker!
Alright, that was actually pretty funny. Ooh. He freaking. Ooh.
Deshaun, did you feel that?
Okay, no, okay, you know what? I'm done, bro. I have enough brain rot for us today, guys. I can't do this any longer. I'm done. But if you want to see me watch more of this freaking foolishness, make sure you subscribe right now. Computer, make sure everybody subscribes right now. Everyone that's watching the video, subscribe, all right? Make sure they have a great fucking day. All right, computer, make sure they also gain 5,000 pounds in their get. Make sure they also go out there and be a blessing to the world. I love you guys.